Oh hey, thank you for tuning in for another video. I have these juicy twists provided to you by Uncle Funky's daughter, and I'm gonna take them out. So to start, I'm going to be using righteous roots oils and only taking a tiny bit and putting them on my fingertips. This helps reduce the frizz when I am separating these juicy twists. Now, for the majority of this video, you would just see me separating. I really want to emphasize how much definition I have. This is definitely one of the best twist outs that I've had in 2020. Let me tell you, I've only really been doing a lot of wash and goes or braids, and that's about it. But I haven't done twists or twist outs in a long time. So, number one, look at this growth. Look at this shrinkage. Are you ready? Look at that. And I'm also going to be just showing you how I separate. So if you caught wind of it, I like to separate my hair in different ways, but the quickest and best method I would recommend or suggest to anyone who's short on time is the method that I'm using now. So I'm twirling my twist in the opposite direction that I twisted it, and then I'm finding where the two strands originally meet at the root and just pulling them apart. I show you several different times, so just keep watching. Find where the two strands are at the root, pull them apart. I'm just being extra right now just because I want to show you how easy it is to pull them apart. And I'm also being extra by pulling them down just so that you can see the bounce back. But look at the definition. Look at the shine. I only use two products. I use Uncle Funky's Daughter leave-in conditioner, which is a spray, and I also topped it off with the Super Curl. Now, these two products are bomb. My hair is moisturized. My hair has shine. I didn't add any coat to gloss my hair up or to give it that shine. These two products did it on its own. So as you see me unraveling my two-strand twist, and just admiring how much definition I have, let me share with you why I decided to stop unraveling my hair from the bottom. As time passed, I started wearing my two-strand twist in longer. One, it's a great protective style, and two, once you're done with that, you have a bomb twist out. So with that being said, the older that my two-strand twists are, the tighter my coils at the end of my twist become. And so if my coils are tighter, I have a hard time finding where the two-strand twists separate. So separating the wrong strands of hair is only going to cause frizz. So to avoid the whole situation, I separate from the top. With that being said, my hair is really defined. My twists look really good. Definitely the best twist out. Now, a lot of you on my Instagram platform wanted me to separate some more, so I will show you a clip of that and just show you how big my hair is. But keep in mind that I kept my hair like this for 2 days and then I decided to separate. So it may not look as fresh as my hair looks in this video because I've waited to really separate my hair. Now that's just all personal preference. If you want to separate your twist the same day, you can. But realistically, I like to leave my hair like this to enjoy the definition and then separate some more to enjoy the volume. The left is the twist in, the right is the twist out. Which is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. So now I am just showing you how I take one strand and I am separating. Realistically, you do not have to separate them in a certain way. You grab one strand and you separate as much or as little as you want. The more you separate, the more volume you get. That's important. So enjoy these voluminous twist out results. And let's end this video off with a nice little slow-mo before I created all this volume. So this is my hair after I had initially separated them. And just look at it flow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you never miss a video. Share this video with your family and friends. I hope you love it. I'll see you in my next video.